Changing the QRS rollers is an important part of keeping your Can-Am's performance consistent and reliable, especially with our newly introduced QRS XD rollers. These updated rollers offer improved resistance to wear and shattering from aggressive shifting. Their unique formula prevents deformation, ensuring smoother operation, and their precise sizing helps prevent roller seizure and premature wear. In this video, we'll walk you through how to replace the rollers step by step. You'll need some standard tools and equipment found in your toolbox or at your local tool store. Hit pause here to see the complete tools you'll need. All the required BRP tools are available for purchase online or at your local BRP dealer. Let's get started. Since we're focusing on the roller replacement, we've already removed the QRS clutch from the vehicle. Let's proceed with disassembling the driven pulley. First, mark your spring location. Then, install the pulley spring compressor tool on the vise. Install the support cup, place the driven pulley cam side down in the vise, and add the support guide and handle. Screw in the handle to eliminate all play. If needed, carefully apply heat with a propane torch and remove and discard all 3 bolts. Now, go ahead and remove the driven pulley assembly from the spring compressor tool. Separate the cam, spring support, and the 2 sheaves, noting spring position and direction arrows. Now that the clutch is taken apart, it's a good time to clean them, as this will remove the belt dust and grime. Don't forget to inspect the parts for any abnormal wear. Using a T20 Torx socket, remove the screw locking the roller pin in place. Lightly oil the washer and bolt threads of the roller pin extractor tool, then use a 15mm wrench to hold the bolt and another to tighten the nut and remove the roller pin. Now remove the roller and thrust washer. Repeat this entire step to remove the other rollers. Finally, inspect the thrust washers and replace them if they are damaged. To begin the reinstallation of the new rollers, lightly apply heat to the roller pin holes. Tap the roller pin into place with a hammer and pin punch, then install the washer and new roller. Finish installing the roller pin into position. Install roller pin screws and torque to 3.5 plus or minus 0.5 Newton meters, 31 plus or minus 4 inch-pounds. Remember to always refer to the appropriate shop manual for recommended specifications. Install the cam on the spring compressor tool over the support cup and clutch shim. Use a marker to align the arrows on the cam and sheaves. Refer back to your previous marks and insert the spring into the cam, then place the fixed and sliding sheaves. Install the support guide and handle. Before tightening the handle, align the arrows on the cam and sliding sheave. Then tighten the handle until the cam is fully pressed against the sliding sheave. From the back of the sliding sheave, install 3 new cam bolts and torque to 35 plus or minus 4 Newton meters, 26 plus or minus 3 inch-pounds. In this last step, remove the driven pulley from the tool and reinstall the driven back in your vehicle. That wraps up the QRS roller replacement with our upgraded QRS XD rollers. For more tips, comment below or consult your operator's guide.